Located in Kent Island Estates and just minutes from the Bay Bridge, this great home does not disappoint. The main level features 3 bedrooms, an office, 2 1/2 bathrooms, kitchen, family room, separate dining room, separate laundry room, and an oversized 2-car garage. There are 2 fireplaces, one in the family room and one in the dining room. The second level makes for a great 4th bedroom bonus room or game room. Enjoy bird watching from your covered front porch or water view strolls around the neighborhood. This home has been connected to public sewer. Lots of new items over the last 3 years. Roof, windows, siding, gutters, downspouts, HVAC, heat pump with propane backup, hybrid water heater, stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, built-in microwave, washer, dryer, vanities, shower, paint, carpet, hardwood underneath, vinyl kitchen floor, fencing, storm doors, and landscaping. The large 0.56-acre lot is partially fenced for children and pets. Great commuter location convenient to Annapolis and BWI, first exit over the Bay Bridge. Be sure to visit www.consistlandestates.com to view